Idiretso na sa kotse na ko.
Baka man. Nice one.
Timer. Timer. Kasi may defending champion, ha? Okay? 1 minute na. Ano, so if it falls down, bigyan kita. Sige. 1 minute finish. Kasi, counted. Ulan man. Doon sa may ano, sir?
Front. Hello, sa front. Change location. Ako, videographer. Sige, timer.
Timer. Counted. Iyan ba? Sige. Gerard, number 1.
Wait. Timer. 1 minute. Starts now.
Wala na. Abin ko? Wala na.
Five. Six. Naunsi.
So, kailangan.
1 minute. 8. 9. 10.
Pilay mo ha. Sa unang 50. Wow, 50.
16.
Oh, last 25 seconds.
18. 19. 20. 21. 18 seconds.
Dali ah. Dali ah.
Last 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
May mandikay niya?
Sorry, break na.
Oh, okay, agoy.
19. Last 20 seconds.
Nakachinilas pa na.
Layo.
Last 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 17. Last 29 seconds.
Sorry.
Last 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last 30 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Last 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo, go, go, go.
Last 30 seconds.
Last 25 seconds.
Pila naman. 14. Wala.
Last 10 seconds.
Hindi ko naman pala.
7, 8,
Yung kayo.
9, 10,
Sinilas mo lahat? Sinilas gani na.
12, 13.
14, 15,
Nanglan ko rin magsinilas at ka.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay na, winner!
20, 24,
5, 26.
Project of the Devotees of Santo Niño every Friday at 6 o'clock the group gathers here, devotees, and they pray the novena, no?
Rosary.
Rosary, and then novena to the Savior Santo Niño. And for those who believe, there are miracles that believe, and most of those prayers actually here with us. So also we'd like to acknowledge those who members sa Niño and Wakawit for bringing their special recipes. So they cooked it themselves, they didn't buy it outside. Except the pizza, no? Except the pizza. Yeah, so again, welcome, and we hope you enjoy this short program that we have today.
Okay, thank you, Attorney, for the nice welcome remarks. Next is we're going to have the Christmas carols community singing together with Tao Tao Choir and the Santo Niño, and devotees of Santo Niño. June and Gerard, June, Masam mo. Kids. Christmas po. Sir and MJ. Yan. Batok to Hamilton. First Christmas po. Second.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, MJ. Enjoy the party. Asan si MJ? Asan si MJ? Elizabeth Lau and family and him. So next, Hazel and company.
Hazel and company is
Here. Next, Raul Rudita.
Yes.
Raul. Tagalog kasi Raul. Saan po tayo sa Pinas? Pakison City. Bakit lang? Pakison City! Merry Christmas po sa'yo. Merry Christmas po dito. Enjoy, enjoy.
When you arrange a song, we talk about what instruments we play, how the song would go, and that. So anyway, the long story short, he made the arrangement, and so he sent the manuscript or backing track or the actual background music, and gave it to April, and April started to learn the song, and we recorded her voice in the house of Denmark, another composer here, and we sent her voice to Davao, and her voice to Davao together with the arrangement were mixed. And we came up with a song. And after we made the song, we aired the song in my radio program. And it's available also in YouTube. So this is the first time that April is going to sing this song in public. So you are the very first to listen to this song. ever performed live. And you know, I thought that April couldn't sing this song today because last week she had a minor accident. So look, if you see a plaster here, with her head, she fell down and scooter and hit her head and everything's okay naman, the knees. But a trooper she is, she said, I will sing the song for you, the new Mendes. Yes. So ladies and gentlemen, big hand to April Jane.
Three, two, one, action. So much troubles all around the world. I can't carry all the burdens. Ayaw matulog. I need to take a rest. I've got to close my eyes. So I sleep onto dreamland where there's peace, joy and glory. I wish that these were end, but they're so meaningless. Mystical, magical, in a rainbow painted sky. My feeling goes my so high. When words of angels sing, when fairies sprinkle pixie dust. All the happy thoughts, all the joyful memories, mystical, magical. Then the morning comes, same old love. So I ask myself, dreams come true. Mystical, magical, in the rainbow painted sky. My feeling goes my so high. When words of angels sing, when fairies sprinkle pixie dust. All the happy thoughts, all the joyful memories, mystical, magical. Composed by Tori Bell. Shoot sa mga mas ko ay kay saya kung kayo'y kapiling na. Sana pagsapit ng Pasko, kayo'y narito. Kahit pa marami ka, kahit nasa man ka pa, maligayang ating para sa inyo sa araw ng Pasko. Iba't ay ganda sa amin na Pasko, naiiba ang pagdiriwang dito. Pasko sa atin, hanap-hanapin mo, wala katulad dito ang Pasko. Lagi mo na maiisip na sila'y nandito sana, at sa Noche Buena ay makakasama. Ang Pasko ay kay saya kung kayo'y kapiling na. Sana pagsapit ng Pasko, kayo'y narito. Kahit pa malayo ka, kahit nasaan ka pa, maligayang pati para sa inyo sa araw ng Pasko. Sa ibang bansa'y di mo makikita ang ngiti sa labi ng bawat isa. Smile siya. Alam namin hindi nais malayo, Paskong Pinoy pa rin sa ating puso. Lagi mo na maiisip na sila'y nandito sana, at sa Noche Buena ay makakasama. Ang
Anong sa perfect about ito? Sa construction niya. Okay. Sige, okay.
1, 2, 3, smile. Okay.
Merry Christmas na pina.
And then, si Michael.
Taga saan si Mario?
Po, Rizal po. Rizal po, Rizal.
Jose. Yeah. Ano? Ano? Hindi may pasya ko eh. Dexter, ano? Dexter? Dexter.
Yay!
Yes.
Okay. Like $5 quiz.
Yeah.
How do you know much about New Zealand? Ano rin na? Raise your hands na lang, ha? Raise your hands. In 1894, New Zealand became the first country to ensure that all union workers made a certain amount of money at their job. What term is used to refer to the amount you legally have to be paid in New Zealand? Is it A, minimum wage, B, fair wage, C, living wage? Raise your hand.
Parang A.
Parang A. Correct A.
Yes. Nice.
Next, first created in 1907, combining a fruit juice and carbonated mineral water, what is the official name of the popular L&P drink manufactured in New Zealand and owned by Coca-Cola? A. Okay, give me the one. Lemon and pakeha. B. Lemon and pairua. C. Lemon and paheya. B. Correct.
Yes.
Pairua. You got the pairua? Anybody here?
Yeah.
Pairua is a giant bottle there. L and P. So L is the lemon and P is for the area where it is. It used to be owned by a New Zealander, but they sold it to Coca-Cola. Next question. Representing the Southern Cross constellation, how many red stars are on the national flag of New Zealand? A, 2, B, 3, C, 4. Raise your hand. Yes?
3. 4.
4.
Yeah.
Right. 4. Make the first one, because we don't know. This is a $10 question.
Multiple choice.
Ang multiple choice. Sige. Sige, wala multiple choice. Okay. The University of Canterbury, usually people say Canterbury, but it's Canterbury. University of Canterbury. Mount Jan Observatory, New Zealand's premier astronomical research observatory, overlooks which South Island lake, which is also home to the Church of the Good Shepherd. $10 question. Yes. Lake Tikapo. That's correct. Gina.
Happy answer.
$5 question, multiple choice. New Zealand is known for its kiwi fruit. Have you tasted kiwi fruit? Yes. Which is one of the nation's major agricultural exports today. Which Asian nation are these gooseberries actually native to? A. Peru, B. Indonesia, C. China. Ito ba kayo pagka? Ito ko press na.
China.
Actually, no. So the story there is that kiwi fruit is not from New Zealand. Actually, it's not from New Zealand, but they call it kiwi fruit because they found it in China, and then they brought it here. They started planting it, and it bore fruit, no? And so they had difficulty pronouncing the Chinese name. I don't know what you're talking about. So they said, let's just call it kiwi fruit. So that's why it's now known as kiwi fruit. But there's another thing there. You know there's kiwi fruit which is red now?
Yeah. Ito yung red, kiwi red.
If you go to China, there's only kiwi fruit green na lang siya. It's actually green. But the New Zealanders made a research. They researched it and they came up with a golden kiwi fruit. Golden kiwi fruit is a creation of New Zealand and it's registered, patented. You cannot get a stem of the kiwi fruit and plant it in your backyard. Really, you'll be prosecuted because the company owns the right over the fruit. The same with the red one. The golden, you cannot find it. And the green is common, so anybody can just plant it. Yes. Last name? $10 question. In Maori, what New Zealand city actually has 3 names? Te Panganuma et Para, Puneke, Ente Obuko o Te Ika Aoi. So is it A. Auckland, B. Hamilton, C. Wellington? Okay. Which of the three? Yes. A is wrong. It is Wellington.
Grand prize.
So congratulations.
Nara-nara ang kuha na mong chef ko. Yay! Yay! Merry Kirihimiti!
Kami.
Sino ba sana naning yung love letter?
Merry Christmas. Chapsuy kami.
Pasok mo guna.
Chapsuy no, chapsuy.
Ah, nako. Ah, for Christmas. For Christmas.
One imo.